If we think about what we're really trying to achieve, we want to make sure that we as Microsoft empower and engage the communities around the world, making sure that no one is left out, making sure that we are intentionally inclusive and intentionally diverse with the approaches that we take towards AI. We want to make sure that that full spectrum of communities are covered. And if we truly think about how we can design for the 3%, we can then solve for the 97% at the same time. We want to make sure that experiences like seeing AI, speech-to-text translation out of PowerPoint, and other technological examples that we have that we're building upon, including the Microsoft accessibility standards, represent just an example of the extensive toolkits that we have here to ensure everyone truly designs for an inclusive AI future. As a woman of trans and non-binary experience, and also being Latinx as part of the underrepresented minority community, ensuring that these future experiences are truly representative of the underserved minority communities, we need to make sure that they're involved both in the earliest concepts and feature design and planning, but making sure that they're part of our testing, that we are also building with, side by side, individuals to make sure that we are not taking an ableist perspective for the population we intend to serve.